Southside of Caliber Collision Park.
Show me your... Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! Stop the car! Hey, get Sticks over here with us now. We need Sticks with us. Hey, go get Sticks, Mark. Get my trunk, get my trunk.
Stop!
In the trunk. Put your hands up!
Put your hands up! Put it in park! Now!
Close my trunk!
Action 162. Is there somebody close to Sticks? I've got some. I'm at Houston Olive. Right, right. Raymond, people, back up. Copy, Raymond, people. Room. Seagraves' unit is out of service. People, get out of the way.
Yeah, he ran my car.
Put your hand out. Get your hand out now. I'll break the thing off. Stupid.
No passengers. No passengers. Door's empty. Door's empty.
Huh? Let's take her and put her in the car.
Hey, Ferg, can you coordinate? Give me a status on injuries, too.
I've got a couple of injuries.
1218 North Ash and see what they got there. That's where they're supposedly she came from.
No, sir, you're good.
No way I could pat her down.
Right, 220 headquarters.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke or stick me?
Watch it now. I need at least 2 or 3 units to help me shut this intersection off, please.
Close, I don't know.
I'm trying to show you the message over. Push good. I never asked that. Push 171, 297 Washington now.
Has anybody showed in custody?
Push 171.
Actually, 162 to be advised she's in custody.
Push 152, copy, female in custody.
Okay, nothing on you that's going to poke or stick me? What's your name?
I'm around 1218 North Ash.
You don't know your name? Where do you live at? What's your address? It's good to be
1407.
So what was it? 14 what?
07.
So your name's Courtney? What's your last name, Courtney?
Right, 228 headquarters. Good, sir. We've got one in custody.
I'm going to give that to them.
Yeah.
You okay? Alright, sit tight, bud.
My grandson's in here and he says he got his shoulder.
At least 2 people in.
He's on that side.
Okay, you okay, bud?
Please take care of him.
Okay, just sit tight. You okay?
I wasn't in the wreck.
You see what happened?
I just came around the corner and saw cars bouncing.
Okay.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
you're
what
good to go.
happened? And where were you guys at?
We were chasing that lady that's in the backyard of that house right there.
Oh my
We got
God.
a squad started, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a seat, relax.
On the road.
No, just leave it there for now.
All right.
Man, have a safe day.
TI come out. They're on the
Okay.
way.
Well,
They're
I'll
gonna
have
take
John do
photos.
the measurements if he's going to help. Who's
Okay,
working the
yeah.
fence?
I'm
Seagraves?
not even. No, Seagraves left. I think he went because I guess this lady mowed down somebody in the city shop. So he's going back
and
over
then
there.
Seagraves got hit at the collision
Well, then
center.
they rammed her.
Okay.
McAllister. So I don't know. I guess we just need to take one thing at a time.
Yeah,
And this is
I've got
this
this.
is the first.
Okay.
Recording.
Assistant up front, it's her car.
Okay.
She didn't know what she needed to do.
Yeah.
File with her insurance or call the city and see what y'all wanted to do.
Yeah, we'll get. Was it a city car that hit it, or was it the?
It was the
that
one
butthole.
SUV.
Yeah.
Did y'all get them?
Yeah, we finally. It was a girl.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, she rammed my car.
I saw she got a couple of y'all's cars.
Yeah,
That
she's.
was her car that got hit.
She's a mess.
Because you guys had it was like they're blocked in and
I know.
someone moved out of the way.
Yeah, well, I tried to block her in right here with my car long ways.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you guys looked, but I was hiding behind your light pole because I thought she might try to run us over.
Yeah.
And she hopped that curb right there.
Oh, that's what she did?
I left just enough room where she skipped the front of my car and then she made it through there. I was like, dang it.
Wow.
We almost had her. So.
Yeah, we thought she was going to ram through that gate.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, she came through the field over here, and that was crazy.
It was.
So, anyway.
I was like, man, I hope she doesn't hit anybody else's car.
Well, I'm sorry she hit your car. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Hudgens is 10-7. He's at half
We're gonna I'll do a collision report on your car there, and we'll see if she has insurance. Hopefully she does.
We had a couple of her parts inside.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, honestly, I thought she had one of our cars because the car that she has, we have the exact same car, color, and everything.
Really?
I was like, oh,
She got another car.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's her parts right there.
Okay. Yeah, that got a little western there for a minute. Man, she ended up driving through the Walmart parking lot for like 10 minutes, hauling through there, and then.
So I guess she left here and went that way through the gym?
No, she went out, I think if I remember right, she came out this way and then went south, got back into Walmart for the second time, all over, and then she ended up doing like 100 down Aspen, and then turned on 91st, and then...
Jennifer's daughter's work, the church was on lockdown. Wow. Because that was right there by Panera.
We were thinking about locking the gate, so...
Yeah. Well, she probably would have just smashed it open. Yeah. She's crazy, man. I thought she was going to run me over. I was hiding behind your pole like, all right, lady, come on. This thing's sitting in concrete. Let's do it.
But, see, I thought she was actually going to go through that gate over there because we have this entrance and then there's an entrance over there.
Yeah.
I thought she was going to run through it.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
That was crazy.